All right, today I'm here to install a few different accessory items from this company. All right, they sent me these just to check out and review. So I'm gonna open them up and show you what I think. I'm gonna start with the spoiler because that's what I'm most excited about. All right, I have it all prepped here. You can see it's super clean and ready to go. So I'm just gonna unstick and put it right on the end there. All right, while taking a look at it, it actually does go one way. You gotta put it on there exactly one way. If you flip it over, you can tell that it doesn't align quite right. I also need to find the center of it because I wanna put it centered on the car, right? So I will measure to the center, and then I'm just going to assume that the Tesla emblem is centered on the car. So this is what I mean by the Tesla being centered on the car, the emblem here. So I'll find the center of this piece that I want to put on, and then I'll just center it with this here. These here are the pieces that you just take off, right? So let's find our center. This is here, so I know that was underneath. So it's gonna go on like that. I'm just gonna take it all off at once and just put it on. All right, so there's my little center mark. And I can still see the little mark I put on the car. Make sure I get the angle right before I actually stick. I'm just pressing it into the car to stick. I sure hope if this ever comes off, it doesn't cause any problems to the paint, because that would honestly upset me quite a bit. But I think it looks nice. What do you think? I think it matches. That's actually the matte black. You can get it in other colors like shine. All right, so here's the next piece from the same company. There's one for each side, and it's going to cover this. We'll kind of go around it. I'll show you. So this is what these are supposed to look like, okay? We figured it out. This is also a matte black, so it matches the back spoiler that I got, same company. So this really is just gonna add this particular look to it. So I don't know, do I like it? See, the thing is with these things is the tape, right? The tape scares me. I don't know if the tape's gonna cause me damage later or not. But I guess it adds like a little extra pizzazz. Just putting tape on your car just seems so wrong. There we go, and it lines up flush perfect right there with the door jamb. So I'm happy with that. It's a very, very good fit. All right, this is the other side. Same deal. I already got the tape off. There we go. Last thing is the pet seat cover for the back seat. It comes with a lint roller, which is pretty cool. I can't get enough lint rollers. I have a lot of dogs. So this will definitely get used. And then once I get it installed, I'll let you know what I think of it. I haven't looked into the details of this so much, but there is a couple of them that I've been keeping my eye on. Oh, this is kind of cool. This comes with a way to latch the dog. I'll show you how that works. I have those for my dogs already. This is pretty self-explanatory. Put it together like this. Okay. And that'll be your lint roller. There we go. Who doesn't do that? So this goes in the back seat, not the way back here. Back seat. Let's see if we can figure it out without looking at instructions or anything. See how easy it is. I actually have never had one of these. I've always wanted one though. You can tighten this too if you need to or want to. I like that a lot. It's very good looking. This here you can see you can open. Now I'll show you what I was talking about, that pieces that it comes with, which I absolutely love for the safety of the dog. So this just goes right into the seatbelt. You find the seatbelt, click it in. Okay, it's good there. And then you'll click twist your dog's harness. All right, here it is all set up. So this piece here, it kind of naturally folds down, and I think that's what it's supposed to do. It's not supposed to be going up to, you know, protect that area, though you could kind of put it up, I guess, if you wanted. But dogs jumping in and out, it'd be nice to protect the side of your seat. All right, so I do like this. It's very slick looking, looks good, probably works good. You get another hole here. If you've got 2 dogs, you can get another one of those things and, you know, buckle up the other dog. The one thing that I don't like about this is the fact that I have kids. And, well, I have 2 kids, so one sits in the front and one sits in the back. So I have seen others where you can zip or take out this one seat part, so the kid can sit there, right? They can't put their legs down in this thing, so I would have to unbuckle and fold that over or whatever. So having the option to be able to just kind of cut this one piece out so the kid can sit and the dog can have their sling area, I would appreciate personally. And here's the roller. I don't know how well it works, but I like it. I like this idea for her. And then this is the strap that you can hook in here on the harness piece. Why do you look so embarrassed? Why do you look so embarrassed, huh? Wanna go for a ride? Go for a ride? All right. So I think these actually look pretty sharp. I like them. I like the spoiler too, and the seat cover for the dogs. I definitely will get my use out of that seat cover, and these look pretty cool. I haven't put them to the test yet, so I don't know if they'll hold up kind of thing, but I will report back to you on that as they sit on the car for a while. Anyways, if you want to get yourself any of these 3 items, you can check out the link below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on your way out. Take care.